Afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a week or so since the last update. And the last update was that there were issues with Pegwanoff getting the cambelt kit, and as such they're still having issues, but however they've managed to source a cambelt, so which is good news, which I've received today in the post, or via courier I should say. So I made a decision. I'm going to use that in conjunction with the tensioners that I already had, which you might recall I said that I'd only done a couple of thousand miles. Literally that is it. So I'm going to get them get the bits boxed up and sent down to Thurston Engineering, to Baz and the guys down there. Get it sent down there so they can kind of crack on with the engine rebuild, and hopefully at some stage in the next few weeks get the engine back up here to North Wales, and I can start getting to work on refitting it back into the 205 and get it fired up. So a really short and sweet video, really, just to let you all know what the score is, because there's nothing worse at the minute than not many updates to issue out. But you know, I'm in the situation I'm in. You know, shit happened. And we're just gonna go with it. So yeah, happy days. Thanks to to the team at Pegwanoff for sorting out the cam belt. Would have been brilliant to have the full kit to fit, everything brand new. But I'm lucky, really. The tensioners, you know, like I say, are only a couple of thousand miles old, so I'm pretty happy to put those back on. So so that's it. That's really it for the moment. And next week I won't be around, so there won't be a video next week. So it's kind of another every other week type scenario at the minute. But yeah, I'm gonna head away in the van for a couple of nights, I think, recharge the batteries. It's been really busy. In basically life is really busy, in work and home. It's flat out, so getting time to do things it's proving a bit difficult. I'll have more time after this weekend, because obviously I've been training for a half marathon which I competed in and finished last week, and this week I've got another race. It's a 5 mile race, so and that's it. The race, that's the last race then until basically to the autumn. So I've got lots and lots to do this spring and this summer, and all being well, I'll have the health to do it all. So yeah, happy days. Plenty to do. And one of those plans, just before I go quickly, is to get the 205 to the Persian Festival again this year. Current plan is, budget permitting, is to whack a tow bar and electrics kit onto the back of the van, and hopefully borrow a trailer from somebody I know, and drag the 205 down to Prescott, stay overnight in the camper, and just enjoy a full weekend down there. Really make it really worthwhile, and like last time where it was just a hop down there, spend the day at Prescott and drive the car back home. But so that's the plan. A few cars and coffee events locally. There seems to be more and more people organising them, so spoilt for choice really, in that respect. So just get the engine back in the car, get it running, and MOT'd, and you know, let's just crack on and hopefully get to enjoy it this year like it was planned last year. So but as ever, thanks to you all for your continued support, and thanks to those of you who keep sharing the videos and the channel. A hello as well to the new subscribers. There's been quite a few in the last few weeks. Welcome aboard. Thank you for your support. And as ever, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and click on the little bell for notifications, and as and when things are uploaded, then you'll be amongst the first to be notified. So thanks very much. I'll catch up with you soon, and hopefully it'll be a juicy update coming up. So have a good weekend, everybody. Catch you soon.